How does it feel? Not just a win, but it's a single win. Match 33.
It was a good match, and I know it's going to be a very difficult one because Adobe is a good team and you can see their position on block. And we thank God that our last plan worked very well according to the way we expected. And so we got the victory.
What significance does this win hold for you?
It's a big respite. It's a big respite. It's a big rest at least. We are not expecting anything more than a win. Anything more than 3 points in this match today is a big problem for us. If you consider our position on the block, we are looking forward to getting an away point to complement this 3 points.
Yeah, coach, I was coming to that. The league is about to end. Tornadoes are yet to even get a point on the road. How do you hope to address it?
No, it's a very difficult problem that we have been planning and working hard to see how we can erase that instinct, because it's a very bad instinct. We are doing our best to see. We still have areas where we are calculating that we will still get a point. Most of the areas we are concentrating on, we couldn't get anything. But we pray and hope in one of the areas remaining, we pray and hope that at least we'll get a point before the end of the season.
Your side was very compact today. It came as a surprise to many that you've not won many games on the road and even at home.
Yes. But my problem is always loss of concentration at the dying minute. If you look at most of the goals we considered in our home matches, it was dying minutes of games. Some 94, even against Lobby in our reverse fixture, it was in the 94 minutes that we considered a penalty. But we are working on that. At least if we can get 70-80 minutes, we should be